Welcome back, everybody, to this special episode of the TacPack Glock Box 2.0 Take 2.0. So now, this is the review that I promised to do, where I took some of those items out of that Glock Box 2.0 from TacPack, and I put them on my Glock 17. Now, I just so happen to bring my Glock 17 today to do this video because on Monday this happened.
Cowards! Mask wearing cowards! Look out of here! You piece of shit! Go ahead, follow the cop car, the one you want to keep on. Get out of here! Get the fuck out! All right! Right back! Let's defund the police and then hide behind them. Hey, won't you take your mask off? You're a real man. Take your guys' mask off. Take your fucking mask off. No, you forced me like a girl. Take your fucking mask off. Leave it up. Leave it up. Be a real person. Fuck you, dude.
You guys are fucking pathetic. Fucking pathetic.
Yeah, the police are right behind them. Hide behind them. Hide behind them. Hide behind them. You guys keep going. Back up. Stay on the fucking sidewalk. Stand there on the fucking sidewalk. We don't give a fuck about you, dumbass motherfucker. What? Get the dick out of here. I can't hear you with that fucking bullshit.
Why you gotta have the sheriff? You don't want the fucking police department. Why you gotta have the sheriff? Take your fucking ass down the fucking street right now.
And then, with today being the 4th of July, they said, oh, and we're going to come back on the 4th of July and cause mayhem and madness because you guys beat us up in Norco. Like, look, protesters, here's a little hint. The streets in Norco are painted red, white, and blue. It ain't no white dotted stripe down the street. It's red, white, and blue. We don't go for this divisiveness bullshit in Norco. In Norco, we are all Americans. You get the fuck out of here with that whatever. If you want to say people are black, or people are brown, or people are orange, or people are green, we don't fucking go for that around here. We are Americans in Norco. And with today being the 4th of July, and they were like, well, we're going to come back to your town and we're going to fuck it up. It's like, bring it on, because there are plenty of folks like me that are, you know, just hanging out doing reviews of their Glocks with their latest upgrades. You might accidentally run into one of us. So, anyway, I know I gave a rough time to that Glock Box 2.0, but mostly because it was like, you know, it's stuff that most Glock owners already have or, you know, don't necessarily need. Here is the Ets Mag that they gave us. You can see holds 10 rounds just fine. I have nothing but great things to say about Ets mags. They load easily. You know, I've never had a problem with an Ets mag ever. I'm sure probably 3,000-4,000 rounds, never had an issue. So the Ets mags are great. And oh, you might notice that I have the Spartan Laser light combo on my 17. I also have it on my Glock 22. Just for home, you know. It only has like a 300 lumen light, but I'm like, I don't care. I'm not trying to blind the person. I just want to make sure that when I turn on the light, I'm shooting a bad guy and not, I don't know, the dog. So it's got a laser. It's got a light. Now, here is that Ghost extended slide lock that they sent us. And like I said, like I'm still not a huge fan of it, but we'll do it left-handed. And we'll use the Arachna grip to pull it back. So you'll see it works even, you know, even on my weak hand. But you know, I would prefer something a little bit more squared off. The Arachna grip actually works wonderfully if you don't have a whole lot of hand strength. But like I said in my last video, if you don't have the hand strength to rack this, you know, without serrations, then you probably shouldn't be shooting a pistol. What I was saying before, you know, they gave us those $45 sights, and what I would really hope for them to do is like put in the extra $15. Give us the tritium nitride sights. Like, I don't know how well you can see that. We'll do this. As you all can see, that I've tried 15 times. The pistol's empty, so don't worry about me flagging myself. So, but you can see, like, these are, you know, tritium nitride. And then I had to cut the Arachna grip to fit around them, because the Arachna grip comes for the standard sights, which comes way up here. So now I had to cut those. And then I did put the American flag back plate on there. You know, it's like I said, it's personal with the back plate, but you can hardly ever go wrong with the American flag, even if it is an Austrian pistol. So there's that. So all in all, you know, it's, oh, that's what I forgot to talk about, was the slide lock. So they sent the extended slide lock, which is this little guy right here. So pull the trigger, it makes it so much easier. Like you pull down on this, then you rack the slide just a little bit to the back, and then you can push it all the way forward and pull your slide off. So, you know, it makes it just a little bit easier. I don't know how well that shows up, but it sticks out maybe like a 1/16 or maybe even just a 32nd of an inch further. But all in all, the accessories that they sent us, you know, it helps a little bit, but for $150, I was really, really hoping for something a little bit better. I don't know. It's, you know, a rounded slide lock that, you know, is, your finger can still slip off of. You know, doesn't make it that much easier. The serrated Glock standard one seems just as easy to recover. The Arachna grip, not for $10. I mean, you know, probably for like $1, you can just wrap some grip tape on there and have the same. But anyway, so That's my TacPack Glock Box 2.0 Take 2.0 review. I hope that you enjoyed the video. I hope that you all stay safe. Happy 4th of July to all of you. And I hope that you BLM protesters stay safe. Stay out of Norco. This ain't Seattle. This ain't Chicago. Go away, please. We treat everybody like Americans. We don't need people coming into our community telling us that we need to treat each other differently. We treat everybody the same in our community. Thank you all so much again for watching. I hope that you have a wonderful 4th of July weekend, and I will see you next time. Bye.